It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum.
What's up, man?
How are ya?
I like the Chinese balls where you do that and they don't touch. I do that with my testicles. Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
Morning.
How are you?
How you doing, man? It's great to see you.
You look a little blue. I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr.
You know what? I mean, you've heard the term before, black don't crack.
Wants a shit bowl, you know?
Yeah, because everyone's sick of the shitball's bullshit.
Lemon and lime is just right, especially after salmon or steak.
Carpentry is that kind of, it's a Chinese.
Right now, I'm just looking at a blank screen.
You ready up? You improvise your way to the groundlings. You want to get out, you want to get anywhere, you want to get all the way to Ashes.
Bumping into me during a basketball game. I said, I'd hear it.
Bitch.
Talk about this. How long have we talked about it?
I want to talk about it until you get annoyed.
No. How long have we talked about you coming on the show? Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
Killing it, boy, killing it.